aamin na po ako. Yes, it's another baby girl. Unboxing all the products that I got during the TikTok shop on Gatekeeping Moms and Baby. And guys, sobrang dami nilang binigay na free samples. So, let's start. Okay, let's start sa mga baby products. And this is from Samara Baby and Kids. Baby clothes. Oh my God, ang cute. And guys, aamin na po ako. Yes, it's another baby girl. Charot. And meron siyang kasamang swaddle. Yes, ayan. Ang ganda ng tela niya, cotton. Next products is from Clean Font. Grabe, sobrang generous nila, no? So, nagbigay sila ng Buzz Away para iwas sa mga insects. Wipes, another Buzz Away, and wipes again. Wipes. Ayan, iba't ibang variants, no? And of course, guys, meron na din silang baby bottle. Ayan, alam nyo, ang tibay nito kasi during the event, ito yung hinahagis-hagis nila and yet hindi siya nagagasgas. And talagang magagamit yan. Maganda siya. So, meron din tayong baby bath. Kids and baby tooth gel. Ayan, tatlo sila. Grabe, napaka-generous. Next paper bag is from Tiny Buds. Baby face cream, nappy cream. Also got the Gentle Baby Cologne. The Stuffy Nose Stick-Ons. 12 pieces na yan. Next bag is from Giggles. So, alam nyo, meron silang new product. Meron na silang alcohol sanitizing wipes. Giggles Cooling Wipes. Perfect for travel. Yung baby wipes nila. And guys, nag-release na din sila ng kanilang sunscreen. So, meron silang UV Soothing Sunscreen Spray with SPF 50+, PA+++++. And guys, meron na din silang Soothing Sunscreen Stick with SPF 50, PA+++++. Okay, ang daming plus. And another 2 baby wipes. Another bag. Mabigat siya. So, I got 2 laundry detergent and meron din silang softener. Baby Pal Quick Dry Diaper. So, yung size nito is medium and also available sila up to 3XL. Yes, guys. I also got 3 packs of baby wipes na iba't iba yung variants. So, yellow, blue, and pink. Another paper bag from Kamay ni Nanay. So, meron tayong 2 baby massage oil and 2 baby balm na 25 grams each. And nakikita ko na maraming magandang reviews about dito. So, itatry natin siya. I also got 2 products from Avent. So, yung milk storage and plate for babies. And ganyan ko lang nalaman, guys, na meron pala silang plate. And ang ganda. Saktong-sakto for babies. Leggings from Big Box PH. Ayan, medyo malaki pa siya kay Sam. So, bibigay ko na lang siya sa pamangkin ko. And guys, maganda yung quality niya. Tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-stretchy yan. And feeling ko, eto yung leggings na kahit naka-leggings ka, hindi siya mainit sa katawan. Yes, guys. Ang ganda ng quality. Ayan, guys, oh. Meron din tayong Bean Cloud Diaper Pants. So, hindi ko pa na-try itong product nila. Pero na-try ko na yung wipes nila. And nagustuhan ko din yung quality nun. This one naman is from Gorgeous Glow. Ito yung kanilang pink serum na pwede sa lips and cheeks. This one naman is from Goodies Nutrition and pinili ko yung kanilang apple cider vinegar gummies kasi nakaka-help siya for weight loss. Ayan. Another bag from Ishin, Good Drip and Body Confidence. Body wash, 3 pieces whitening soap, and body scrub. I also got products from Wellspring, ang kanilang famous melatonin with vitamin B6, nighttime beauty, and biotin. Meron din silang binigay na sports bra and sana kasya sa atin. Last products that I got is yung mga samples from Mega Life. So, we have the Omega-3 Fish Oil, Best Shape Wonder Oil, Cardi Clear, Nitol, Clear Sight, and Best Shape. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much, TikTok Shop and Mom Supports Moms PH. At lahat ng products na pinakita ko sa inyo is available on TikTok Shop. Check out na!